Tito. It's getting a little more personal for me. I ain't gonna lie. It's what it means, you know what I'm saying? To me. I don't know. For real! Let's put the list together. Any flow, any beat, any rapper. I am better, I could never act like I done been this way before. But way before this ego, I been seen this mode. I get the glimpse when I recall. So many thoughts feeling like I couldn't measure up. What you gon' do?
I can't see it for the weather. Yeah, I can't. It's raining. My little broke best friend. What you got to say? Onyx. Had to fill up the water jugs for your boy Onyx because when he run out of water, we gotta give him water out of these, and these are the ones we drink. His water. Crazy when the camera come out, people revoke what they said to me.
It's crazy when people just lie on camera like,
what?
Gonna record that.
And he talking about some come on. But he don't even got his shoes on. It's the Brazilian iced coffee machine that they have at Love's. Next time I get some, I'll probably take y'all with me. 2 of the chocolate caramel Hershey's creamers. 2 or 3, depending on how you feeling. And then you add 2 of the French vanilla, or if they don't have French vanilla, you can do hazelnut. And today I added, they had like a brown sugar syrup. I saw this other man do it, so I put it in mine, and baby, it's the perfect blend. It's so freaking good. But anyway, we got 2 bags. If you watched the first vlog, you know that all the fruit at the Love's is 2 for $6. So we got cantaloupe, we got honeydew. Sunflower seeds are also 2 for $6, and I'm trying to get Chris to, because he's gonna eat a bag a day. But I got him doing the reduced sodium. Got 2 of those. And then I also got, oh, if y'all want to take a peek in the fridge. This is what we got in our fridge. Got some watermelon. Got 2. I bought 2 yesterday, but then I got 2 more this morning because Chris wanted one, so you know, gotta get him one too. And the best Greek yogurt on the planet, Chobani, it gotta be the one with the peach at the bottom. You have this, and I thought I had one. I got one up there that's open, but anyway, this honey coconut granola is Publix brand, but y'all, this is the best granola I've ever had. Like, it's made with organic oats, organic flax seeds, and organic coconut flakes. Literally the best granola ever. Like, it's
criminal offensive side eye.
Anybody want a dog? Anybody? The granola on top of this. So doesn't have to be perfect. It's just, I don't like when Onyx jump all on here, so I just put my SpongeBob cover down because it's easier for washing. So if he does jump on here, he's not like on the cover. When he get nosy, ain't no stopping sunshine. It is bright. Bright, it's so bright out here. Gotta put my hater blockers on. I'm just gonna 2-step on my haters. Remember that? My watermelon cup fell over, so I have to give it to ONYX. And say hi to the people. You want some? Give me some. Good job. He'll do anything at this point for some watermelon. ONYX, down. Good job. Here you go. Crap. Oh, and y'all, we came back from the truck yesterday, and somebody left ONYX a little note and a treat. The fur baby that was constantly watching. Then she didn't say constantly, he was just looking. It's a pig ear with peanut butter. The truck next to you. He's adorable. And she put a little smiley face. Aww. Look at y'all friend. What? You're never alone. Get down. Take a nap in peace, cause Buddy wanna be all in your face. Like, oh. If y'all can see, but my eyes are watering. Like, I'm tired. He's sleepy too. How the driver see it and I missed it. What you said, Chris?
I'm telling you to look at this. I'm like, I'm pointing where to look. Look right there. You're like, what? You gonna look out the passenger window. I ain't over there. I ain't even pointing over there.
Yeah, I've been trying to see a live deer for a long time. I only keep seeing the dead ones. And then this man gonna say, no, when we passed it there, I was like, man, I didn't get to see it. I didn't get to see it. This man gonna say, yeah, it was jumping like this. It's probably finna get hit. Sir! Then he gonna say, look up the size of a deer brain. They don't know. He keeps telling me look up the size of the deer brain. I don't want to do that. I want to see a live deer.
They don't know that. Don't run in the street. It's cars right there.
I'm gonna try this tuna sandwich. And baby, have me in a chokehold right now. Oh no, my bad. Is this open? Oh, it's open. I think it's poison. I hate that. That's annoying. I tried. Sometimes I feel. Anyway. Oh, they put some vinegar or something in it. Yeah, no, this ain't it. Should've got the fucking chicken salad. I'm straight. I can't eat that. I'm gonna just stick to my chips.
When I get in Ohio, I got to.
SHONEYS, well, not really try. Y'all remember SHONEYS from back in the day? All the ones that I know back in Atlanta are closed down. So we're in Kentucky. It's breakfast time. We get to go in SHONEYS. I'm gonna take y'all with us. Let's go. Every time somebody about to get out the truck, this man gotta cry. But yeah, y'all, I should have put this on my tripod. Anywho, excited to try SHONEYS. We've been passing them, especially like up in the, like, would you say like Kentucky, Indiana?
Virginia too.
Like in Virginia, we keep passing them and most of them be closed. But this one is open. It's breakfast time. And back in the day, SHONEYS breakfast buffet. I'm kind of excited, and I read the reviews, and everybody said it was good, so we're about to see what's going on with that. SHONEYS. Oh, maybe they got displayed. I'm so excited. SHONEYS. It smells good in here. I'm gonna try to get the menu. Like we're gonna get the buffet. But I'm still a little iffy about recording in public, so I'm gonna try to get the food on the buffet for y'all. They got fresh stuff over there. Oh, so cool. So I got what I could get. Selection, it's okay. I don't eat beef or pork, so I didn't get any meats, but this is what I got. It's good.
Today. That's it. Oh, it's a dollar around? 50 cents. It's 50 cents.
It's $1.
Oh.
This is a scam. I'm done. Let's go.